Hold on.
I dated a girl flying to Georgia one time. I took her through this.
Hold on. That's where it's going to. Wait, sorry. This is where it's going through it. This is where it's going through it. So I'm walking over there so we can get better view. You see? God bless me. TikTok. Rocky Top Tennessee. They playing Rocky Top Tennessee. So, this is where it is, right there. I go over like this. Alright, come on. We gotta go down. So, alright, this is where it's at. Oh my goodness. Look at this. See, this is where it's at. Man. And look at them, they filming. It's like a race car. Oh, it's a tank. It's a tank. Come on. Alright. Oh yeah. Look at this. That's where it's a tank.
I can sit down with it. Turn your light off on your camera. We'll make it dark.
My light's on. Hold on.
There you go, son. Ain't no garbage cans over there. That's just a dumpster right there.
A garbage can?
That's my garbage. But you can see everything over here back here.
Yes.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Military ship.
It's a military ship.
Yeah, it's a military ship.
It's a carrier or something.
Yeah, a carrier.
It is. And I love Chattanooga.
Yeah, you're supposed to love Chattanooga, son. That's where you live.
Yes.
Yep. See, that's a ship carrier.
That's a ship carrier.
Yeah.
People said they don't even like Chattanooga the most. But hey, I love it.
You want to come out the light, son? Come here. Hop up. You want to come out the light?
Yeah. Come on.
Hold on, man.
Hold on.
It's gonna be the American flag.
It's gonna be like American flag or something.
Look.
See right there? See right there? See fighter jets? Oh yeah, fighter jets. Yes. Or it's like fighter jets. Yes. Alright. Let me see the camera.
Yeah. Now do it. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's a lot clear?
It's an American flag.
See how clear it is?
Yes.
I always wipe the lens off, son.
I always like the lens. Boy.
Men hold the American flag.
People hold American flags. They formed me. That's a helicopter. Helicopter. Man, that's a helicopter.
Gotta get to the land though.
Yes. It's gonna land.
It's creative.
And now.
Shut up.
For 4 minutes something.
Start shooting fireworks at it.
It's all up in the way.
Yes.
Bam.
It's a spaceship. It's a rocket. It's spaceship. Goodness. Oh, it's Earth. Oh, it's a spaceship. It's okay. You good. Yeah. They gotta start some money to like make it. See, it costs a lot of money to make the.
Yeah, do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that too.
It's
Yeah, now I'm good.
yeah, it's great.
Now I'm good. Eagle.
It's an eagle. It's an eagle. It represents like a United States of America.
What the hell is that?
That's pretty neat though. You ever do it with drones like that?
Yeah. You go to fireworks.
No, you get to the United States.
United States. United States.
Now watch this. Listen. Watch coming to us. Look, it's coming to us. Hold on. It's coming to us. See how it's raining down? See how it's raining down?
Yes.
Yeah, that's neat, ain't it? That's neat, ain't it? That's neat, ain't it, son?
Yes.
Yeah, that's neat coming out that bridge. Yeah, that's neat. That's neat right there. I like
See
that.
right there.
It's raining. It's waterfall. They call it waterfall.
It's a waterfall.
Yeah. Call it a light waterfall. It's nice and
Yes.
it's just raining down. Look, it's just raining down. Man.
It's raining down. Man, it's kind of clean right there.
Yeah, they're neat.
Yes. Huh?